The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 doesn't just feel like another upgrade. It feels like a power move from Samsung that clearly shows how far ahead the company is in the foldable game compared to Apple. With a noticeably slimmer and lighter body, an improved ultra-durable hinge, and an inner display that is brighter and almost completely crease-free, the Fold 8 finally delivers the premium experience users have been waiting for. Samsung also packs in a next-generation Snapdragon chipset that brings flagship-level speed and efficiency, making multitasking effortless, gaming smoother, and everyday performance incredibly responsive. One UI has evolved beautifully on the large foldable screen, offering smarter split-screen multitasking, better app optimization, and powerful Galaxy AI features that boost productivity, from real-time transcription to advanced photo editing and intelligent summaries. Battery life and efficiency have also taken a step forward, thanks to better optimization between hardware and software, while camera improvements make the Fold 8 feel less like a compromise and more like a true ultra-premium flagship. The outer display is more practical, the inner display feels more immersive, and the overall experience is now closer than ever to carrying a phone and a tablet in one device. What really makes this moment stand out is the contrast with Apple's current lineup. While iPhones remain incredibly polished, Apple is still absent from the foldable space. By the time Apple launches its first foldable, Samsung will already be generations ahead in experience, refinement, and ecosystem maturity. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 isn't just a new phone, it's a clear message that Samsung is defining the future of smartphones, while Apple is still watching from the sidelines.